Okay, so this is going to be part 2 called taking a parameter. So we're going to open up the same file that you just made from the previous activity. And once you get it open, we're going to highlight everything that we have in there. You're going to copy it and you're going to paste it. And then you're going to comment out all the lines from your previous function. So I want you to keep it there, but we're going to work with a new one. So we're going to keep everything kind of as a reference. So I want you to do the exact same thing on your file and follow along with me. So inside the parentheses, that is called taking an argument. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create the argument. And this argument is going to be based off the number of snacks that we purchase. So we'll call this amount of purchased snacks. We're going to put a colon right after that, and that is going to allow us to call whatever we're going to call. In this case, we're using numbers, so we're calling an integer. Okay, so next we're going to use the substitution method, and we're going to call the front slash with the parentheses, and we're going to put amount of purchased snacks. So that'll allow us to whatever number we put in for the argument, it'll show up here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new constant. So we're going to use let, and then we're going to call this the purchase price of the snacks. And that's going to be equal to the amount of purchased snacks. So remember, that'll get called when we start typing it in. So it'll show up. You can just hit enter. And we're going to make this times 2. So it'll be times $2. So each snack will be charging $2 per snack. And now we're going to use the substitution method here one more time, and this will allow us to put the purchase price of snacks inside here. So we'll use the forward slash parentheses, and we're going to put purchase price of snacks inside this one this time. And then finally, make sure that you have your curly brackets, and then we're going to call the function. And then here where it says int, in this case, you're going to put whatever number you'd like to put in there. So in this case, we're going to put 4. And you can now see that it says 16 down there. Now notice there's a discrepancy between what you saw and what you see now because of one of my files got messed up. But it works. Change it to 3 and it changes down there at the bottom in your console. So now we should just try to call another one, put a different number in. Put a bigger outlandish number in, put another one in, just give it a shot and see, make sure it all works. And then in the console, it should print out, so make sure to play it if you don't have it auto playing. And now you can see the different numbers, 12, 40, 10 times 4, so it all works. The math works, the numbers get substituted, so you now have kind of a working function. And there you go. So make sure that you follow along and do everything that I have done for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.